Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. And from your cine plate in front of me, you don't know it's another food review video. So, of course, if this is your first time coming onto my channel, welcome. Please comment down below how you found me. Where was it? Through YouTube search? Did I come up on your For You page? Are you from Instagram? Are you from TikTok? Where are you from? I want to know. If you are here and you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you may be notified when I upload my awesome videos. Guys, don't forget, me if you talk to me very hard these days. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys, because that helps the video to reach more people. But if you're more interested in seeing what we're gonna eat today, then keep on watching. Now, if you don't know what February is or what is celebrated in February, then where are you living? Are you living under a rock? February is celebrated as Black History Month, and so in honor of Black History Month, of course, I had to go back to the motherland and get something from the Black culture. Today, we're gonna be having food that is from Ethiopia. No. Can I tell you I knew nothing on the menu? Can I tell you that I wrote down what I bought and I lost the paper? So I'm gonna even know what I eat. I'm gonna have to find it for you, and I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'll put the restaurant information right here, and I'll also put what dish I am having because I remember what it looks like, but I just can't pronounce it. But I am excited to go into today's food. So we're gonna do the burger now. I went with two things, something from the appetizer menu and something from the main course. No, I'm not gonna lie. I never get to see an appetizer so big. This is a hell of an appetizer. I feel like if I eat the appetizer, I remember that I need the main course. But, of course, we're gonna taste everything. You know what? You never asked me if I wanted it mild or spicy. So I don't know, but never fear. I have some buffalo sauce right here. So if I feel like I need a little bit more spice to spice up the food and give it whatever, then I'm gonna try it. And of course, you know that when we eat the food, we rate the food. We decide whether it's a 10 out of 10, a 5 out of 10, and we're gonna keep it real, we're gonna keep it honest, we're gonna keep it true, because I want you to come back for more videos. As I said before, in honor of Black History Month, I just thought it was right to represent. So, let's go into the appetizer. Oh, I do remember her saying that this was like some tomato and onion something. Again, it's not written in English, it's written in the Ethiopian language. So, yeah, I couldn't read it, but just have a point like, what is that, what, you know? But honestly, I'm gonna bring you guys and give you guys a better view of the food. When she kept saying to me that the things served with bread, me I think what the bread I mean. If you're Jamaican, they know what hard-dough bread, national hard-dough bread. That was the kind of bread I was imagining. Or even sliced bread, just bread will look like bread. No shade. This thing looks like sponge to me. And you can comment if you think it looks like sponge, but it looks like sponge. And I mean that in the humblest way ever, but it looked like sponge to me. But let me show you guys, because I know you guys want to see the food. Let me show you guys the food. So this is the appetizer, and you see what I mean about looking like sponge. So you can see the onions, you're seeing the onions, the tomatoes, jalapenos. So this is supposed to be a spicy dish. And then we have this, again, that's bread on the top. Underneath the bread, we're gonna find out what's in it. But I'm almost peeping a little spinach or kale or something under there, and I know that there's meat in it. So yeah, let us see what's really under there. All right, I don't know what to expect, but I'm trying to get a little of everything in this first bite. Of course, I feel like maybe the bread would have been a little bit more hard or whatever, but no, I have to drive home, and this place was like 30 minutes away from where I live. Okay. Okay. I was not prepared. All right, I wasn't prepared for that. That was a big piece of jalapeno. Don't need no more jalapeno. Let me tell you, maybe this one is a vegetarian dish because I don't know what I was expecting, but it's not coming together for me. I don't know. Like, if you're a fan of tomatoes, you probably would like this, but this for me gets a 2 out of 10 because I just don't know what I'm eating. This is not my favorite thing. Maybe there were other things on the menu I could have bought and I probably would have enjoyed more, but just know that this is not it. Yeah, but we're gonna slide this one to the side. That went by very quick. I was expecting a little bit more out of that one, but since it never gave what we expected to give, let's hope that the main meal can make up for it because I'm hungry. Here's the spongy thing again, the bread. You know, someone did tell me that Ethiopian food is spicy, so I don't know, I'm surprised. All right. I'm gonna try to lift up the bread. And get beneath there, all right? Okay, we're starting to see some things. Wow, there's a lot of meat in this one. A lot of meat. So there's beef, there's beetroot, this looks like cabbage, there's mince or ground beef, and then this looks like kale. Yeah, so this is what came beneath this. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. I'm gonna try the beetroot first because I don't want the taste to get lost underneath all the meat. Boy, it's beetrooting. It's beetrooting. Cabbage. Let's taste the cabbage. It's cabbage. I'm gonna try the cabbage with the bread thingy. So something. Got some carrots. I believe she also said that chicken was gonna be in it, so oh, there is chicken. Oh, there is chicken. All right, wait. I'm gonna try the mince with the bread. Oh man, pepper under there. Let's try the kale. So I'm gonna try everything and then I give you my overall rating. But I come in. Oh, no bad. Try the chicken. What I'll say is that the meat is very tender. Like it's falling off the bone. Like I'm not even trying. It's just falling away from the bone. I'm really in love with the chicken, to be honest. This is the beef. Look at curry beef. All right. This was the chicken, guys. Chicken leg. So it's almost like when you cook stew chicken. The beef actually don't taste bad enough. But there's something I can't quite put my hand on. There's something. There's always a taste. I'm wondering now if this is how when people eat Jamaican food, that there's a distinct taste that is carried across our dishes, because there's something. There's a distinct taste in the meal. I just don't know what it is, but they all over. I taste it on everything. And you know what? It's not a taste that I'm enjoying. Yeah. Yeah. They did give me some green peas and I like them. The green peas, these taste good. Yeah. And the green peas is mixed with the mince. Sorry, the ground beef. So look, ground beef and green peas. Okay. Yeah, but we'll go down with night. The kale, I would give maybe a 7 out of 10. It's not too soft, it's not too soft, and not too crunchy. I feel like it's cooked at a perfect state. Again, it's just something, a seasoning, an ingredient, something is in it that's just, it's not doing it for me. The beef itself, the texture wasn't bad. The beef was a little bit too chewy. And I would like it. The vegetable was good. The green peas was really good. The cabbage was good as well. I'd give those a 8. Yeah. So the green peas and the cabbage, 8 out of 10. The beetroot, personally speaking, beetroot is a fruit or is a vegetable, I don't know. but I feel like it's a fruit to me. It give me fruits. If it's not a fruit, I stand corrected, but it's giving me fruit vibe, and so I don't think I want it mixed with my food. I've had beetroot cooked before. This is my second time trying it, and I'm not loving cooked beetroot. I prefer it what you call it now, just freshly chopped or blended in a juice form, but not like this. So I'm not like that. This thing here, so the bread, I'm not like it none at all. The bread for me is a no. The chicken as well, though the chicken was soft and it was tender, I didn't like the flavor of the chicken. Something about the flavor, the overall flavor of the chicken, I don't know if it's because everything is touching. So I'd say this: if you don't like when food touch, this is not your meal to buy. If you're the kind of person who your meat not to touch the rice or your chicken not to touch your beef, like, do not buy this, because as you can see, hello, as you can see, there is a whole get together, a gathering, a party happening in this plate. So if you're not a fan of food touching, do not get this meal. It is not, you're not gonna enjoy it. I'll also say that if you're gonna buy this, you probably want to eat it in the restaurant. I feel like the bread could have been more palatable to me if I had it immediately, but it's literally been like 2 hours since I bought this, so it was sitting on top of the meat, and so I feel like it took up all the moisture, so it gets too mushy. So I don't feel like this is a true representation or a true reflection of how the bread could really taste. So no, we're gonna squeeze it out now. So the ground beef was okay. I mean, it's ground beef, unless they make it into like chili. Really, it's ground beef, right? So yeah, I would not get this dish again. I don't feel like I need to give it a second chance. I am not saying that to say you shouldn't try it. If you are interested in trying something, still do it, because you just don't know until you and I may not have the same taste bud. You may taste this ingredient or the seasoning and go, best thing I've ever had, and that's okay. But for me, it's gonna be a not again. It's gonna be a no. It's gonna be a don't invite me to dinner if you're gonna cook this. I don't want it, right? You can probably cook the kale and the veggies, give it to me, because I feel like that was done well. I like that, but yeah, this has been, I want to say, my least favorite thing I've tried so far since trying out the food. And I feel a little way because I never want to say that, but the truth. And again, it's not that, I don't think it's a case where the food, the preparation or the food itself is bad. I just feel like it's what I like. I just don't think it's something I like. Because let me tell you something, the restaurant was booming. The restaurant didn't pack. Like, I had to wait long to get the food because in the restaurant was just full people that come in and out like hot bread. So I know it's good. I just feel like I don't like the flavors that I'm getting. Yeah, so main dish, I'm gonna have to give it a 3 out of 10, and the appetizer 2 out of 10, if not all, a 1 out of 10. But guys, let me know in the comment section if you've ever had food from Ethiopia or from the Ethiopian restaurant, Ethiopian cuisine. You know what is true, I've had Ethiopian food before years ago, maybe some 7 years ago, and I didn't mind it. So which is why I'm thinking it's just the dish that I chose. So guys, again, remember to comment down below where else you want to try food from. I know I'm to try from a Turkish restaurant, and we're gonna do that. Black History Month is about wrapping up now, so we have one more opportunity to try something from a black culture. I may just try something from the Caribbean. Also gonna right, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to this part of the video, comment spices. If you watch the video through and through, comment spices, because that's how I'm gonna know that y'all are watching the video through and through. Comment spices. Don't be shy, comment. Guys, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button so I know you like the video. Leave that comment, spices, and share the video on your WhatsApp status, share the video on your Instagram, share the video wherever you want to share it. Just make the world know to come and be a part of the Tiffy gang. Guys, until my next upload, bye.